Hey everyone, my name is Swapna Patel and I am a New York area based personal stylist. I work with female entrepreneurs to help them level up their style and show up confidently as the face of their brand. I recently had Rahul teach an Instagram marketing masterclass in my community and it was mind blowing. So, Rahul over delivers and he really has amazing insights and knows the ins and outs of Instagram marketing. So, whether you are a beginner and need to know how to set up Instagram and how to use the basic functionality, he will teach you that. But if you are an intermediate or advanced user and you already use Instagram, his tips and techniques will help you improve the quality of the content that you're creating and attract your right audience as well as increase engagement on your post. In today's day and age of digital marketing and social media marketing, knowledge of Instagram is not optional, it is mandatory. And I'm glad that we have teachers like Rahul who can help us get to the next level.